everyone else has been dropping their fries.
Yeah. So I'm here with my favorite vendor at the fair. They are called Twisted Tasty Tatoes. They also have these things me and Silhouette ate one at the beginning, and oh my god, it's like heaven in your mouth. They have loaded fries that look delicious, hot chips, cheese and gravy, chicken nuggets, American hot dog, which I'm going to try now because I love cheese dogs, and popcorn chicken. And again, don't tell my wife I'm eating my non-diabetic food, okay? Thanks, it's a secret.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
And what's your name?
Kathy,
And how long have you owned the business?
over 5 years.
Wow, you're from here?
I'm from New Zealand,
Okay.
but my father's Australian, and I love Australia.
And where can people find you normally if they're here visiting so they can come try your delicious food?
Anywhere around Logan in Brisbane.
Anywhere around Logan, which is just outside of Brisbane. All right.
Alright, moving on to our open division. Before I move on to our open division, to every single junior competitor tonight, you guys did so well. You left your hearts on that stage. Thank you so much for being here tonight. Unfortunately, again, due to time, we're going to quickly give out your gift bags while we present the top 3 for open women. For our open women, we've got, in no particular order, Portia Meredith Normier, Hadassah Tabuai, Silhouette Lemana Mona Sofia. Alright, and now we have come to our top 5 for our open men. Top 5, in no particular order, Jacob Fukuali'i. Jacob Fukuali'i. We've got Forbear Lautai. Malakai Lautai. Up next we've got Ubenga. And the last one, Justice Edmund.
So today is day 2. I just wanted to show a picture of the Kingston Butter Factory. This is where the event is held. I know in the daytime I didn't record very much. There's all the food trucks. This is what it looks like when you're here super early. There's a team right there that with the golden pattern. That's a New Zealand team. They had a big turnout. They have a couple boys in the junior division that made it. I'm not sure if they have an adult male that made it, but for sure 2 of the juniors made it. And there's all the different places. They have a Fijian place. They have a kava infused one down there at the end in like a green and white trailer. They have a Wagyu Ninja, where it's like that I don't know if it's katsu chicken or some kind of chicken, and Silhouette's favorite mini donuts. They have chip faced fairy gloss popcorn, potato pals. Those also serve those twisted it's like 3 places serve the twisted potato stuff. There, and there. So here's all the kids are out here practicing, and Silhouette's over there with them. I'm doing interviews for the Palangi newspaper. Tell me why you love Steve Offey so much.
That's because it's very It's really like challenging.
Awesome.
I
What's your
know.
name?
My name's Harlan.
And what team do you represent?
It's a dance.
Can I hear a Chihu?
Chahoo!
Yeah. Hi, what's your name?
Hello, I'm Sophia Talapalava, Sophia Wele. I'm from Tausua Sirafi in Wellington, New Zealand. Yes.
Okay. So how long has, because it seems like there's a huge turnout of people that do Sivafi now in New Zealand more than Australia. Why do you think that is?
I think the interest is definitely growing in New Zealand, especially in Auckland and Wellington.
Right.
We started the branch in Wellington, and in Auckland, I think we have a few schools over there, especially the Sivafi director, Amo Yoriko. He started a competition over there, and that's kind of where we kind of went, and that's where our group has kind of grown from there. So,
Awesome. Yeah, we've been watching you guys, the tournament, and then we watched a video about the 5 women that learned like in a month to go to the tournament. That was awesome during COVID.
Yes.
So with it being so popular in New Zealand, does it have anything to do with the concentration of like Samoans? Are there more Samoans in New Zealand than there is in Australia, or is there more interest, you think, or I don't know, you know, is Samoans more spread out in Australia? I don't know. Why do you think it is?
I think it's a mixture of the two, and I also think, especially with our kids in New Zealand, they love a good challenge, and Sivafi is that for them. It's a good challenge to upskill, to go through, you know, the fire, the cuts, the burns, and they love that, So I think it's awesome that it's definitely growing in New Zealand, and especially in the capital, in Wellington. So yeah.
Well, New Zealand's well represented here, and I'm going to ask you a final question. What country represents Sivafi the best?
Oh, New Zealand, Wellington for sure.
Get a Chihu?
Yay!
Thank you. So these drummers are basically from the Cook Islands. Go, 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 go. Back is where the kids can go. I don't know if I filmed back here, maybe I did, but they have different dressing rooms for the juniors, like maybe down there, and then they also have judges room, and then they have like that's where the women, or the older women, go. I think today it's the younger ones and the older ones just in one room, and the boys are over here. So they're getting prepared, doing their banana leaves.
Okay, my name is Emelita Soloma'anaima Tau Ili Leonaris. My father is from Papasatoa, and my mother's from Loli. And this is...
Kia ora everyone, my name is Maria Akaiti. My father is from Samoa in Samoa, and my mom is from Waitangi in New Zealand.
I would like to firstly honor our Heavenly Father. I ask my co-host to quickly to perform an opening prayer for us today, and then we shall continue our program.
Ms. So'otuli Bepe Ausanye with us here tonight, so she's going to open up our stage with her Siva Samoa. If you're wanting to support her, you're more than welcome to Ayuli around, but yeah, that fine.
Ule nei ia manatu leo to sisila na po. Ele lavo umona file short list of tatu competitors with file na about nge winga ile umi. Alela mate tatu fa fianga lela sa atu ia le fianga ile au fa pa fo ye kunsilani le fa masuyo tato. Yo komita so tuli sange pepe ia fa pena fo na stala ina ile mai mo fio. Ia lo fio mai lo fio man na tasi me sio lo to pa. Ia malu to para to. Ia lo tu atu la no mo. Wai ai fai masuyo sa boy para moina. Ya ole na laba. Pola laba ni tulanga iona ai. Ya ole filia mai nei. Ya le tamaitai. Ya suya na ta to. Le fa moi. Yeah, God willing, ile masina la leo September. So am I right?
Yeah, Saudi Samoa. Yeah, they might tell what's who are ready. Might get a little Samoa.
Yeah,
They by Catherine. Yeah, but the Malana lens might say on the old Saudi might say yeah, so yeah.
Yep. Round of applause for that beautiful ladies here tonight. They go to the phone. It's part of our event. There's a variety of entertainments tonight. Samoan group, Maori group, yeah, Malola Mafaftai.
I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of this land, the Yakura and Yugambeh people, and pay respect to elders past, present, and emerging, and hold the memories, traditions, and culture for all Australians across the land, the seas, and the skies.
It's sort of like a Pacific festive season or festivity as we are gathered together tonight.
Introductions for the finalists. There's 3 in each group. judges under because the rain is blowing their papers around. I mean, the wind is, and the rain is just coming down. You can't see it under here because we're kind of under a shed, as you can see. But some of the rain is getting in for sure. The kids are gonna have, everyone's gonna have a difficult time equally though, because it's really hard, not in the rain per se, but in the wind, it's hard to control the fire from climbing up the stick or coming in your face when you have it close to your face in the wrong direction, because you do have to spin around in all 360 degrees, and fire is licking your eyelashes is probably no fun. I'm just guessing. Same as last night, I can't really film all the children's full performance because of battery life. Because, you know, we come all this way, I want to make sure we get our kids and Jocko. So hopefully I get a better camera. Feel free to donate one if you're watching this.
Molly Evans, all the way from Oakland, New Zealand. Take it, who on the outside? If you like me, I also made Bologna. That's a fully Bologna. be competing tonight.
This is the first of 3 boys. I'll get just the beginning of each boy except for Siaki. I'll have enough battery to record the whole thing. Here's Siaki's, or I mean Silhouette's teammate. announcing the open women's division and the open men's division. They're just having them come out.
Manur tātou wala ia mai lātou mai mai ia i le whapoipoi lawa ina lolo wale tau ia nā lolo mautor to ao i le mamalu le tātou pia alo kono pisa i le tono mao te koe i whamasina le koskuteria ia mole koe ino mai opa wale whamasina.
Looks like Portia's going for her. She's super nice too, so everybody likes her a lot. All these girls are so nice. Or women, I guess, are women, sorry. Really good, and now I don't have no idea what position Silhouette's going in, so she might be next or she might be last. Let's see. Oh, it looks like she goes last tonight. She went first yesterday, and so she goes last tonight. This lady's really nice. She's 29 and she's so entertaining.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to stage.
Go next. Come on, Silhouette. Mommy's at home in America. Rooting for you, little girl. Come on, baby girl.
One more competitor from the other women final tonight.
That will be good. Alright, so our final finalist for open women tonight. The youngest, Silhouette, Le Mana Mama Sana, all the way from the United States of America, representing Tupoleaki.
judges know, not us. She wrote in Samoan on her stick, bless God, bless Jesus, I think. I don't remember, but it says something, or I love Jesus or something. She felt she needed a little extra help today. That was her best performance ever in my mind. Win or lose, she had fun tonight, you could tell. And I'm very proud of you, and Mommy's very proud of you. We don't care if you get third, second, or first. We love you anyway. Here come the men's tournament. I'll try to get a little bit of them, but I only have like 17% left. And when it gets below 20, it starts dying really quick. So I apologize if I don't get much of their intro. Next one is someone from Sydney, Australia. The Sydney crowd went crazy. They're happy they have someone from their home country. His name, I believe, is Justice. I didn't catch the name of the first competitor. Sorry, I can't catch all of them. I'm at 14% now. So I'm going to try to fix it. I'm going to go look at all my batteries. I have 4. I think I have 2 in the trunk that might have 19 or 20. As soon as I have a break, but I do want to catch the ending when everyone gets their reward, you know, third place, second place, or whatever. At least capture that and capture some moments with Silhouette, you know, and her friends before we have to leave. Because we leave first thing in the morning. The third guy to go. This guy's from Samoa. Cool.
From the audience, bring the Samoa.
Okay, Jocko's next. I hope my battery lasts. I get the whole performance. I think it will. But I still have to get that other battery or find that one with some percent left on it in the trunk. Here we go.
Timber! She's like, hurry! Let me out!
I'm just filming it.
Oh, you're filming it? She's just filming. They're filming!
I'm just filming.
Dad!
You can stop anytime it's filming.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, I can capture pictures off about 3 spots. I'm so glad she really likes. We all like each other. So all the kids that competed get along so well. That's so what's nice about Siva Afi is they're competitors on the stage, but they're friends off the stage. So let that be a lesson to all sports. You know, all sportsmen show good sportsmanship and love each other and be friends and continue those friendships for life. Because some days you'll be the winner, some days you won't. And it doesn't matter who wins, as long as you're all friends, you're all winning.
Leo Samoa, batasi ai mona piunga masani. Leo malava ia le se mai, male fio mai, male beliu mai. Lau fakutanga fa moito loa. Ia se tasi o pou wale toiba. Ia por faliva per fare tau, fa tetele lava. Ile tema ainda o le fia. Ia lau fionga i sa pula taibao. Io wala fiona sa mali tona sa tukua e me se volte o sigo mamalu le fale tolu fa tetele. Leo e se mai ia manatu ele fai o fia le malama mai ia mai le tamaita ia Victoria. Leo e sua fio mai o tu mati ai le ia so fa tai.
Just so you know, if you don't understand Samoan, shame on you, first. But secondly, they're awarding the judges and giving them gifts for coming all this way to help with the very first championship of Australia. They're lining up all the competitors and they're going to announce who wins for each division. I'm not going to keep it running because I have like 6% left. I'll come right back. Besides the normal gifts, the winner of each division will be sponsored by Chief Sulau to go to Hawaii and be sponsored by him, which is really awesome gift for whoever wins each division.
Hope that, I mean, not everybody wins, but we are all winners tonight. Let's give a round of applause to all the
little bit one. The battery died, but I got a little juice left. Look at her crying. We love you, baby.
We love you, Silhouette.
Good job, Silhouette. Can I call upon Melanitia? Melanitia.
Silhouette's got the crown and the it's like a WWE belt.
To our winners, you now have the opportunity to represent Tōlapi Pati Levasa and Chiefs Luau in Hawaii next year.
Say hi. I didn't catch my battery died. I had to go get another one. So what you got?
Yeah,
what does that say?
Cry. I was freaking crying like a baby.
Did you let them know yet? Somebody that you can't be here tomorrow?
Oh no.
Jim's gonna see if that'll fit in his gun case.
We'll mail it.
There's your anyway. There's you, Miss Samoa. And Siaki too. The Tupilafi crew.
Smile. Alright, cool. Got it.
And I'm recording, so Chihu on 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers!
There you go.
2, 3.
Congratulations.
So what does that mean that he's going to sponsor you?
I'm going to Hawaii like a...
Well, we always go to Hawaii.
He's paying. He's going to pay for her hotel, her flights, probably food.
I want first class.
He's paying.
I don't know, can I see this for a second? I just want to see the size. So our black, that might fit in our black cases. Look at it. That's, do we have a fire knife somewhere? Okay.
Got a picture of